Hey, what's up? I want to show you something cool. If you own an outdoor construction business and you're looking for high value leads using low cost or free methods, I want to show you something here. This is a free tool you can use called Google's Keyword Planner. And you get it by opening up a free Google ad account. But what this tells us is we can type in our niche, like let's say excavation or land clearing or forestry mulching, septic installations, what have you. And it will actually tell you how people are searching for your services. And what's really cool is we can click this filter here and it's going to share with us number of search volume. And we can see here, like for excavation companies near me gets the lion's share of all the searches for the different ways people look for land clearing type work. Okay. And so this free checklist that you can get shows you free and low cost ways that you can go about taking advantage of this stuff. And it's the same stuff I talk about in my book, Excavation and Septic Internet Marketing Profits. But you don't need to get the book to see results. You can actually just get the checklist and start executing on these things yourself. Now, I showed these tactics and he started using them, Rockridge. And in the past 30 days, they booked $140,000 worth of job bids. I mean, what kind of impact would that have on your business? And I showed these same tactics and we used them for daily aluminum. From their Google My Business, they got 1,168 calls in the past 6 months. And that's GMB. That's not talking about using other social platforms. Like, for instance, we're also posting. I show you how to do posts. So you see these posts. These bring in organic traffic to the business. Here they are on Instagram. Look at this. More posts. And then we can see them on LinkedIn. You can do this, right? And I show you ways to do this in as little as 15 minutes in a day. And so basically by doing that, you can see leads start to come in and you can see they're clearly marked like messenger and so on, call in. And then everything gets organized really nice and neat. Now, you know, obviously you might have some system for your leads or how you keep them, but that's not the point of this video. The point of the video is to share with you the checklist that I'm going to leave up for a little while longer that you can get, and you can start using these things to see results for your business. What's the catch? The catch is it won't last forever. Okay. And also, I could not cram everything in my book into the checklist. Okay. So what I did do is I took some of the most powerful things that I think you can implement yourself, put them in the checklist so you can start getting results as soon as today. Okay. So thank you so much. Go get the checklist.